Well, it's a real honor that we've been recognized just with the nomination for doing things that others aren't doing in a way that we think can really help make a difference.
Well, the Rocky Mountain Climate Organization is a regional leader in providing high-quality data on how climate change is impacting our communities on the Front Range of Colorado and across the Rocky Mountains.
Our exclusive focus is on climate change. We do the kind of analysis so that people can understand what our future could look like. We work to bring down the emissions that are changing the climate, and we work to help people prepare for the changes we could still face.
They've brought together public health organizations, infrastructure-related groups, and many others to talk about the changes we're already seeing and how that will impact the health and the economic vitality of our community.
We are doing for Denver the most detailed and comprehensive analysis that anybody has ever done anywhere about what climate change can mean locally in terms of daily conditions. We've analyzed 44 million data points from up to 20 climate models for 4 different possible emission futures for all the years across the century to try and figure out what we might face here.
When we have that information, we can plan better for how we intervene from a public health perspective to help people in extreme heat events. We can plan better for the infrastructure needs that we have in the future. It will impact everything from airport operations to how fast trains can run along the rails. It has an impact across every aspect of our city.
Denver has already identified that the public health threats of extreme heat is one of the biggest threats facing the city. In the analysis that we're doing for the city, we'll let them figure out exactly what that might look like so they can make plans. When are we going to have heat emergency? What's the definition of that? When do we call one? And how do we prepare for it?
Having that information allows us to really plan for the future.